crash course on France. With its romantic atmosphere, fashion, and art, France is a must-visit for many viewers. Sure. Let's dive into a crash course on France. France is a country located in Western Europe that is known for its rich history, culture, and traditions. With its romantic atmosphere, fashion, and art, France is a must-visit for many travelers. From the Eiffel Tower to the Louvre Museum, France is home to some of the world's most iconic landmarks and attractions. One of the most interesting stories about France is the story of the French Revolution. This event occurred in the late 18th century and marked the end of the French monarchy. It was a time of great upheaval, with the people of France rising up against their rulers and demanding more rights and freedoms. The revolution led to the establishment of the First French Republic and the eventual rise of Napoleon Bonaparte to power. Another interesting story about France is the story of the Palace of Versailles. This magnificent palace was built in the 17th century by King Louis XIV and served as the royal residence for over 100 years. It is known for its opulent architecture, beautiful gardens, and intricate details. Visitors can tour the palace and learn about its history, as well as explore the surrounding gardens and grounds. Now, let's move on to some of the top must-visit attractions in France. 1. Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower is one of the most iconic landmarks in France and is a must-visit for anyone traveling to Paris. Visitors can take an elevator to the top of the tower for stunning views of the city. 2. Louvre Museum. The Louvre Museum is home to some of the world's most famous works of art, including the Mona Lisa and the Venus de Milo. Visitors can explore the museum's vast collection of art and artifacts, as well as learn about its history. 3. Palace of Versailles. As mentioned earlier, the Palace of Versailles is a magnificent palace that is known for its opulent architecture and beautiful gardens. Visitors can tour the palace and learn about its history. 4. Mont Saint-Michel. Mont Saint-Michel is a small island located off the coast of Normandy. It is known for its stunning Gothic abbey and medieval architecture. 5. Notre Dame Cathedral. Notre Dame Cathedral is one of the most famous cathedrals in the world and is a must-visit for anyone traveling to Paris. Visitors can admire the cathedral's stunning Gothic architecture and learn about its history. 6. Château de Chambord. Château de Chambord is a beautiful Renaissance chateau that is located in the Loire Valley. It is known for its stunning architecture and beautiful gardens. 7. Saint Chapel. Saint Chapel is a stunning Gothic chapel that is located in the heart of Paris. It is known for its beautiful stained glass windows and intricate details. 8. Palace of Fontainebleau. The Palace of Fontainebleau is a beautiful palace that is located just outside of Paris. It is known for its stunning architecture and beautiful gardens. 9. Les Invalides. Les Invalides is a complex of buildings in Paris that is home to several museums and monuments, including the tomb of Napoleon Bonaparte. 10. Musée d'Orsay. The Musée d'Orsay is a museum that is located in Paris and is home to a vast collection of Impressionist and Post-Impressionist art. 11. Arc de Triomphe. The Arc de Triomphe is a famous monument that is located in Paris. It is known for its stunning architecture and is a must-visit for anyone traveling to the city. 12. The French Riviera. The French Riviera is a stunning stretch of coastline that is known for its beautiful beaches, picturesque villages, and glamorous resorts. Some of the most popular destinations on the French Riviera include Nice, Cannes, and Saint-Tropez. In addition to these top attractions, there are countless other must-see destinations in France. From the historic city of Avignon to the stunning beaches of Corsica, there is something for everyone in this beautiful country. To summarize, France is a country that is known for its rich history, culture, and traditions. It is home to some of the world's most iconic landmarks and attractions, including the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre Museum, and the Palace of Versailles. Other must-visit destinations in France include Mont Saint-Michel, Notre Dame Cathedral, and the French Riviera. Now, let's end this article with a poem about France. Oh, France, with your romantic air. Your culture, fashion, art so fair. From Paris to the French Riviera, you hold a beauty beyond compare. Your Eiffel Tower reaches high, a symbol of love that can't deny. And the Louvre, with its famous art, draws in admirers from afar. The Palace of Versailles, oh so grand, with gardens, details that expand. And Notre Dame, with Gothic spires, its beauty leaves us all inspired. Mont Saint-Michel, a jewel in the sea, a Gothic abbey for all to see. And Château de Chambord, with its grace, a Renaissance gem in the Loire Valley's embrace. France, your history, so rich and bold. From the revolution, stories untold. Your culture, traditions, all unique. A country that leaves us all mystique. In the end, we can all agree. France, you're a must-visit, for you're the key to a world of beauty, art, and romance. A country that leaves us all in a trance. A song about France's must-visit attractions. ChatGPT. Verse 1. From the city of love to the rolling hills, France has sights that give you thrills. Start in Paris, the city of light. The Eiffel Tower shining bright. Chorus. France, oh France, with your wonders to behold. From the streets of Paris to the beaches of the French Riviera, you have it all. Verse 2. The Louvre with its ancient art, and Notre Dame, the Sacred Heart. The Palace of Versailles, oh so grand. The gardens, fountains, and the Hall of Mirrors at hand. Chorus. France, oh France, with your wonders to behold. From the streets of Paris to the beaches of the French Riviera, you have it all. Verse 3. Mont Saint-Michel in the sea, a place of wonder, where the tides ebb and flee. The Loire Valley with its castles so fair. Château de Chambord, a Renaissance affair. Chorus. France, oh France, with your wonders to behold. From the streets of Paris to the beaches of the French Riviera, you have it all. Verse 4. The French Riviera, where the stars come to play. From Cannes to Saint-Tropez, so many ways to stay. The beaches so inviting, the views so serene. A place where luxury is what it seems. Chorus. France, oh France, with your wonders to behold. From the streets of Paris to the beaches of the French Riviera, you have it all. Verse 5. Avignon, the city of the popes, with its history and culture that elopes. Corsica, an island so divine, a paradise where the sun always shines. Chorus. France, oh France, with your wonders to behold. From the streets of Paris to the beaches of the French Riviera, you have it all. Outro. From the north to the south, the east to the west, France has beauty that will never rest. So come and visit, you won't regret. For France, oh France, you're a world-class asset. ***, we hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences France has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to France, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html $AID=7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you, Anhub Metaverse team.